Regarding the ultrastructure of the cell, I'm going to focusing on the general structure of all of the cells, plant and animal. Then I will make a differentiation between the plant and animal as well. And I will also focus on the questions that came in the exam. So first thing, from outside, every single cell, okay, has to be made up of plasma membrane or cell surface membrane or cell membrane. All of them are the same. So what is the plasma membrane? The plasma membrane surrounding or limiting the cell contents. It is retaining the cell contents inside, okay? Such like what? The cell contents, such like the organelles, okay? Which is made up of or made of protein and lipid, okay? So if you have a closer look, we don't have this in the level of the SA80, but just for your knowledge, we have a phospholipid bilayer. Here is a bilayer, first layer, outer, and here inner layer. Each layer is made up of a phospholipid. Here is a phosphate group, and here is a lipid tail. So here is a head made up of phosphate, which is an inorganic group. And here we have the lipid. Phospholipid is a type of lipid. And throughout the phospholipid bilayer, because it's two layers, one first outer and second inner, okay? There is a embedded or it's being bombarded by proteins, okay? This protein may be spanning from outside to inside, which is in this case known as integral protein. Integral, it is integrated, it is spanning, it is embedded fully, it is bombarding the two layers, the outer and inner, okay, or the phospholipid bilayer. Or it may be only inside or only even outside, and in this case it is known as peripheral. Peripheral means it is only found in one side of the plasma membrane, either internally or externally, okay? And also we have cholesterol, okay, molecules that play very important role in the fluidity, maintaining the fluidity of the cell surface membrane. Okay. We have another point that came in exam, which is the selective permeability. What the meaning of permeability? Permeability is to permit substances to get through or to pass through and prevent others. So the major function of the plasma membrane is movement of substances in and out of the cell. So the major function of the plasma membrane is the control of what? Of the movement of any substance in and out. The plasma membrane has very important, okay, feature, which is known as selective permeability or semi-permeability, or it is partially permeable, okay? So the selective permeability is a property in the plasma membrane which controls the movement of substances into and out of the cell, controlling the passage of substance in and out of the cell. And this important question that came in the exam in this particular part of the ultrastructure of the cell.